Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Leonora Cali de la Paz. I'm 42 years old. I'm married. I have children. My ages is 20, 18, 13, and 11. I'm a graduate of high school.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have two employer. The first is 2 years and 2 months finished contract, and the second is 2 years and 11 months finished contract.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer, in first employer?
My duties is cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, take care of baby 5 years old.
How about the second employer?
The second employer is washing clothes, ironing clothes, cooking, take care of the children of 11 years old.
Okay, can you tell us how you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I take care of baby as of I can give food and playing.
Okay, please tell us some of your skills.
My skills is cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes.
Can you cook Filipino food?
Yes, I can cook Filipino food, Arabic food.
Okay, what are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, I'm honest, kind, friendly.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
For my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you select me, I do my best, my work, to maybe finish contract, and I promise that I finish my contract of 2 years. Thank you, ma'am. Good day.